Hey everyone, welcome back to the Midjourney Weekly Office Hours Recap. This is the place where we break down all the latest updates and news from the Midjourney team. Every week, we dive into what the team is working on, what's coming next, and other important developments. Today's video will feature some of the top selections from Midjourney's Explore page, so be sure to enjoy the visuals as we go through this week's updates. First up, one of the biggest news is the upcoming Personalization System. This is set to be a game changer, introducing multiple personalization profiles and a new way to create personalized models. The idea here is to provide users with more tailored experiences by allowing them to save different profiles that capture their unique styles and preferences. Whether you frequently switch between photorealism and abstract art or have specific genres you explore, this system will enable you to manage these preferences more effectively. The team is also focusing on diversifying the styles that this personalization can cater to. For example, if you enjoy both photography and drawing, the system will recognize these distinctions and offer more varied outputs rather than converging on a single style. Next, the team is in the midst of a critical decision regarding the next major model update. They're currently debating whether to push forward with a version 6.2 update or to jump straight to version 7. Let's break down what each option offers. Version 6.2 would be a more incremental update, but still significant. It promises better prompt understanding, making the AI more intuitive and responsive to complex or nuanced requests. Additionally, this update would improve support for multiple languages, making it easier for non-English speakers to achieve high-quality results. Image quality would also see a boost, with sharper details and better overall aesthetics, and the processing speed would be faster. However, the team is weighing whether it's worth the effort to finalize 6.2 now or to put all their resources into version 7. On the other hand, version 7 is described as a much larger, more comprehensive upgrade. It aims to address many of the requests that have been piling up from the community. Although it's been delayed due to its complexity, the team is excited about its potential. Version 7 is expected to be more clean in its architecture, meaning it could offer smoother performance, more robust features, and a more user-friendly experience overall. However, this complexity means that the release date is still uncertain, as they want to ensure everything is perfect before rolling it out. Moving on to 3D and video development, there's some exciting progress here. Originally, it seemed like 3D features would be the next big thing on the horizon, but now it looks like the video capabilities might actually come first. The team is finding that the challenges involved in video model development may not be as complex as initially thought, which could allow for an earlier release. The debate now is whether to launch an early version of a video model based on version 6 technology or to wait for a more advanced version 7 video model. The advantage of releasing an earlier version is that it would allow the team to gather valuable user data, which could then inform the development of the more sophisticated V7 video model. However, the V7 model would undoubtedly offer superior quality and features, so there's a strategic decision to be made here. Another area of focus is depth control within the Midjourney system. The team has been experimenting with depth control features which allow users to influence the depth and perspective of their generated images. While this feature is promising, they're still figuring out how to best integrate it into the user interface. One consideration is whether depth control should be presented differently, perhaps even as a separate feature, because it can sometimes feel more like a photo filter rather than a core creative tool. The goal is to make depth control feel just as valuable and precious as other aspects of the creative process in Midjourney. In the world of UI improvements, the team has been experimenting with larger image grids. This is a bit of a mixed bag. While bigger grids can be great for viewing more images at once, They can also clutter the interface and make navigation more cumbersome, especially on the website. The current website design is heavily optimized for smaller batches, so introducing larger grids would require significant changes to the user interface, which is why they're taking their time to get it right. Lastly, they're thinking ahead about a desktop app. While this would essentially mirror the web experience, the addition of desktop notifications could be a significant benefit for some users. This week also saw the release of a fun new feature, the personality test. The test takes about 15 minutes and evaluates you across 200 different axes, comparing your results to those of other users. The data collected will help the team refine future research and features. And that wraps up this week's Midjourney Office Hours recap. Which image was your favorite this week? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly updates. See you next time.